Here's how to fix CapCut keeps crashing and freezing on PC. Let's go through several methods that can help resolve the problem. First, open the CapCut application. On the home screen, you'll see all of your projects. Delete any projects you no longer need by right-clicking the project and selecting Delete. Make sure you only remove projects you've completely finished with. Next, click Create Project. On the right side, select Modify and then open the Performance tab. Make sure to turn on Proxy and set the proxy resolution to 540p. After that, switch to the Details tab and make sure the frame rate is set to 30 frames per second. Click Save when you're done. Now, close the project to return to the CapCut home screen. Click the settings icon at the top, open the version section, and select Check for updates. If an update is available, install the latest version of CapCut. After updating, click on this gear icon again and open Settings again. At the bottom, you'll see the cache size. Click the trash icon to clear the cache, confirm by clicking OK, and once it finishes, then click Save. Now minimize CapCut and open the Start menu. Search for Task Manager and launch it. In the Processes tab, locate CapCut, expand it by clicking this arrow, right-click the main CapCut process, and select Go to Details. In the Details tab, right-click CapCut.exe, choose Set Priority, and change it to High. Confirm by clicking Change Priority, then close Task Manager. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Settings, and open it. Go to System, then select Display, scroll down, and open Graphics. We now need to add CapCut to the graphics preference list. Click Add Desktop App and locate the CapCut application. If you don't know where it's installed, minimize the settings window, find the CapCut shortcut on your desktop, then right-click it and choose Open File Location. Copy the folder path from the address bar. Go back to the graphics settings, click Add Desktop App, paste the copied path into the address bar, and press Enter. Select CapCut.exe and then click on Add to add it to the list. Then click CapCut to open Options, select High Performance from this drop-down menu. The next step is to clear temporary files. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and launch it. Type temp and press Enter. Here, press Ctrl+A to select everything. Then, right-click the selected files and choose the Delete option. If Windows displays a prompt, check Do this for all current items and click Continue or Try again. If a few files can't be deleted, you can safely skip them. Now, go back and open Run again. This time, type %temp% and press Enter. Select all the files with Ctrl+A, right-click on it and delete them. And again, choose Do this for all current items followed by Try again. Ignore any files that remain because they're currently in use. Finally, open Run one more time. Type sysdm.cpl and press Enter. Open the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click Settings. Here, select Custom, then leave only these options enabled. Animations in the taskbar, enable peak, show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Disable every other option, then click Apply followed by OK. After completing all of these steps, CapCut should no longer freeze or crash on your Windows computer. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.